Hello there and welcome to Yoga Asana Foundations of Yoga Poses with Andrea Yoga today. And in today's tutorial we're going to be practicing Bharadvajasana. This is a seated posture. So from a sitting position, whether one shin is crossed in front of the other or whether we are kneeling, what we're going to want to do is to make sure that the sit bones are firmly grounded, that we are not tilting or twisting to the side, and if this is not easy to achieve, then perhaps try sitting up on a thickly folded blanket. From our sitting position, we're going to bend the knees over towards the right and shift the weight over towards the left a little. So bring that right heel in and that left heel cups around the bottom. From here we're going to reach those fingertips up towards the sky and then exhale to twist over towards the right hand side. You can push that left shin away or bring that left palm all the way across to the outside of that right thigh as you reach the floor behind you with the right fingertips. Adjust the position of the head to look over towards the right or wherever feels comfortable on the neck. To come out, we'll unwind the upper body, keeping the sit bones in place, and swing the legs over towards the opposite side gently to repeat on the other side. So bringing that left heel in, right heel reaches around behind and you sit stably between the sit bones. Again, use a thick blanket to keep the pelvis stable. Inhale to reach those fingertips up towards the sky and then exhale to press that right shin away or that right knee away as the left fingertips reach the floor behind you. You can bring that right palm all the way to the outside of the left thigh as you bring the head over towards the left or in a comfortable position for the neck here. Keep the breath steady and smooth, the spine nice and tall as you explore the depth of the twist. On the inhales and the exhales to come out, release the hands, twist the upper body towards the opposite side, and then you can straighten out the legs. To practice a different variation of this pose, we can practice from kneeling, from hero. We can bring the knees together and then again just gently bending the knees over towards the right, shifting the feet over towards the left. In this case, the left ankle will end up resting in the arch of your right foot. Press the sitting bones to the mat to lengthen the spine as you inhale and twist over towards the right, using the support of your arms to twist. Notice that as you exhale, your left hip may raise a little, and that is perfectly okay. Your head and your neck are the last thing to turn, and you press firmly through the fingertips of the hands into the floor. To come out of the pose, just release the hands, bring the upper body towards the front of the mat, and gently swing the legs over towards the opposite side. Benefits of Bharadvajasana Twist is that it keeps the spine mobile, massages the abdominal organs and improves digestion. Really important to keep the sitting bones nicely grounded, the spine nice and long, to allow the hips to follow the spine in the twist to some degree. Length in the spine in this case is much more important than the depth of the twist. And as with all yoga asanas, there's always a way to increase the challenge that bit further should you choose to, by changing the position of the arms and the hands. In this case, starting from the knees, as you exhale, you can swing your right arm all the way around to wrap behind your back as you twist over towards the right. Holding the left arm just at the elbow if you can. Otherwise, take hold of your shirt. Additionally, you can turn your left arm outwards and slip the hand under the right knee, palm on the floor. Thank you for practicing Bharadvajasana Twist with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.